Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use VLC Media Player on a laptop. Open VLC, then drag a file into the window to start playback and test audio. Use the spacebar to play and pause, and the volume slider or M key to mute. Try full screen with F and escape to exit. Explore the playlist, subtitles, and simple audio tools for a smooth viewing experience on your device. Use simple keyboard shortcuts to control playback with confidence. Press F for full screen and ESC to exit, while arrow keys skip small intervals. Spacebar toggles pause and play, and M mutes audio when you need silence fast. Open the playlist to rearrange or loop tracks and enable shuffle for variety. These small habits speed up your workflow and keep your viewing relaxed and efficient on any laptop. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that makes long drives more pleasant after a movie night commute. I find it oddly satisfying when my car smells as clean as my playlist sounds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. VLC has powerful features that stay accessible. Load subtitles from Subtitle Add File and adjust timing for perfect sync. Visit Tools, Effects, and Filters to change audio equalization or video color and sharpening. Use Media Convert/Save to convert files to common formats like MP4 or MP3 for compatibility. These tools help you tailor playback and files to your needs without extra software, keeping your media simple and flexible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.